This monstrous two-stroke V16 giant powered the heaviest industrial machinery on Earth for over 3 decades. Built with 2 joined blocks and dual roots blowers, it remains one of Detroit Diesel's most legendary powerhouses. Designed by Svenssons and perfected by Erik August Bolinder in Sweden, this single-cylinder giant dominated early 20th century maritime propulsion and heavy industry. Famous for its steady, low RPM thump-thump rhythm, it powered fishing vessels, canal barges, and sawmills worldwide. Designed in the late 1960s, the YAMZ 240 became the heartbeat of Soviet heavy industry. It powered the iconic Bella's quarry dump trucks, 30-plus ton capacity, and giant Kirovets K701 tractors, earning a reputation for unyielding mechanical durability. Originally designed for aircraft in 1940, this 9-cylinder air-cooled radial diesel was adapted for World War II armor. It powered M2 light tanks and M3A1 Stuart light tanks, giving Allied crews a safer, less flammable alternative to volatile gasoline engines. Launched in 1981, the Caterpillar 3512 became the heavy-duty backbone for commercial maritime fleets worldwide. Designed specifically to endure non-stop high-stress operations, it was widely deployed in deep-sea tugboats, offshore oil support vessels, passenger ferries, and heavy freight pushboats where total failure wasn't an option. Built by Aktiebolaget BEIJERS MOTORFABRIK in Vimmerby, Sweden, this massive single-cylinder hot bulb engine represents early 20th century industrial endurance. These heavy stationary power plants were built to drive sawmills, agricultural machinery, and factory line shafts via wide leather belts. These rugged, single-cylinder industrial engines were designed to operate continuously in remote oil fields. Their biggest superpower is fuel efficiency. Rather than using gasoline or diesel, they burn free, unrefined natural gas pulled straight from the casing of the wellhead they are pumping. Built to move earth, power colossal haul trucks, and push massive marine vessels, the Detroit Diesel 12V149T is an absolute legend in industrial engineering. Featuring a giant two-stroke design boosted by twin turbochargers, this beast turns diesel into pure mechanical brute force. Caterpillar 3412 line is a legendary 27-liter V12 workhorse designed for brute force. It powered massive earth movers like the CAT D10R dozer and 24H motor grader, as well as commercial tugboats, heavy haul trucks, and emergency generators worldwide. The Detroit Diesel 8V71 Ti is one of the most iconic two-stroke marine diesel engines ever built. Loud, smoky, and incredibly durable, it became famous for powering everything from luxury yachts to commercial workboats. Even decades after production ended, enthusiasts still admire its unmistakable sound and rugged simplicity. The Detroit Diesel 6V71 is one of the most legendary engines in American heavy industry. A loud, high-revving two-stroke diesel, famous for its screaming roots blower and bulletproof mechanical design.